Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Corey Fulham Automotive once again. In today's video, let's take an up-close and personal, in-depth look at the all-new 2015 Ford Fusion SE. And this is giving me a detailed, in-depth review of the Fusion. We'll start up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, as well as show a bunch of the unique aspects of the interior as well as exterior. And I'd like to extend a big shout out and special thanks to Pinewood Park Motors, located in Kirkland Lake, Ontario, for providing the new 2015 Fusion featured in today's in-depth review. For more information about their current offerings and their inventory, check out pinewoodparkford.com. And so, without further ado, let's go and start it up. Let it run. And you also have a hidden electronic hit and keypad on the door panel here, so you can unlock the vehicle that way. This exterior color is Magentic Metallic, featuring a full black leather interior with Alcantara accenting. Beautiful. Fusion does come equipped with the electric assist, speed proportional mechanical rec pinion setup, and it has a unique 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with polished accents come across the airbag cover, with color accent stitching give it increased quality to it, and you also have the multifunction controls on the steering wheel as well. As far as the gearbox, it's a 6-speed automatic gearbox and traditional column shifter, and you also have manual shiftability plus and minus on the shifter. And then once you put the vehicle in reverse, your backup camera automatically appears with guidance lines, and it automatically adjusts as you turn the wheel. And so, we're going to flip on the automatic optional projector xenon headlamps, fog lamps, as well as the hazards. Both windows are fully automatic as standard. Now let's go check out the exterior. We're going to pop open the hood. Okay. There we go. Here's your engine. The belts are spinning pretty good. And now let's go see how she sounds. Those engines are perfect. They're powered by Ford Motor Companies. I think it's got one of these 5,000 RPM redline things. Yeah, it's got one of these 5,000 RPM redline. That's cool. We're going to go and shut her up. And you also have fan controls here. You also have this here, entertainment. We used to change it to Sirius 3 or 2. Change it to Disney. Good. Alrighty. We're going to shut her down. And we'll go check the back seat. This is pretty cool. Also have your cup holders here. As you notice, this new 2015 Fusion has a trunk. To open it, you just gotta hit the button twice. It opens. And there you go. Now, as you noticed, we're taking a Ford Fusion on a test drive, and it works perfect, just like the turn radius is. And here we're going to talk about the Ford Fusion. Now, the system used in the Tesla Model S is also beautiful. Now, the vehicle's brake system is calibrated as soon as you let off the accelerator. Now, the Tesla Model S is also important for safety features and aspects between them. Now, as you notice, the vehicle's brake system is beautiful. That the vehicle has a park assist that can allow it to park itself through the brake systems. If you have your foot on the gas pedal, you can speed up to 70 or 100 on a highway. As you notice when you're driving, you can see the road. If you have this can be your new 2015 Ford Fusion as long as you have your driver's license. As long as you're driving, just keep your hands on the road and hands on the wheel. And you just put your left signal on when you're turning into a town or a gas station or any dealer to buy a new vehicle. And there you go. We're just going to have to continue the video with the engine running, and I'm going to show you the voice commands right now. To activate it, you just press it on the steering wheel.
Please say a command.
Help.
Main menu. Say a device name, like phone, climate, USB, CD, or radio. To get help with a specific device, say the device name and help, like phone help. You can interrupt me at any time by pushing the voice button. Phone is always active, so you can say things like, call John Smith. To hear an introduction to your system, say voice instructions. For sync support, call 1-877-945-3648, or see the tips available at www.syncmyride.com. Main menu, say a command.
It'll walk you through everything on voice commands as well. You also have your USB port. You switch it to iPhone or USB. SD. As soon as you, it'll display right on the dash right there. And this happens, entertainment, navigation, or climate. You can change this option here. Change it to phone. There you go. As you noticed, if you go to phone here, it says iPhone connected, and you can go to phone book if you want. You can call. I'm gonna call my mom right now, so I'm gonna tell her that I'm gonna let her know that I'm inside the new Ford car. There we go. I'm gonna dial. we go.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Mom. Is that you?
That's me.
I'm calling you inside the new 2015 Ford Fusion. I'm inside it right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I got your iPhone hooked up on Bluetooth inside the Ford car.
Okay. Well, don't lose my iPhone.
Okay.
Okay. Have fun.
I'll tell Dad he said hi.
I will. Okay.
Hey, Dad.
Thank you.
Hey, Dad.
Tell her I said hi.
Okay.
Okay. Can I speak to Father?
Okay. Now let's see if we can call my grandma. And we press dial. No, wait. Her home phone number and press dial. It'll call. There we go. It's gonna get on hold for a second.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Is that Grandma?
No.
Oh, is this Barbara?
Yep.
I'm calling you inside the new 2015 Ford Fusion. I'm at Pinewood Park Motors right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I got my mom's iPhone Bluetooth connected inside it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I talk to Grandma?
She's not here.
Where is she?
Kirkland.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll let you go then.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Right.
And then you can make phone calls if you want, and it'll show on that display here. And there you go. As you noticed, you also have your USB port inside it. My mom's iPhone is inside it right now. We're gonna shut it off. And there we go. We're gonna go and cut it off. Now we're gonna go check out something else. It's roomy inside here in this new Ford Fusion. You also, like I said, you also have your cup holders here, and you also have a hook here. Pretty cool. And you also put your seatbelt on if you want. If you're going for a drive with your parents, you just hear the click, and there you go. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoy the in-depth look at the all-new 2015 Ford Fusion SE. Be sure to stay tuned next time. Here's a lot more where it came from. Take care, everybody.